My name is Sam Perroni, and you're at my home. We have the Perroni Field right next door to my house. It was built for my grandsons, but then when the coaches started finding out I had it here, well, all of a sudden we had 11 teams now that practice on this field during the season. But the most important thing that we do here is what I call the Northwest Arkansas Little League Field of Dreams tournament. It is the third week in August every year. This year it'll be August 17 and August 18. And we have a five-team Little League tournament where we, among other things, raise money for the Alzheimer's Foundation to be used for Alzheimer's research.
So this tournament is what baseball is meant to be. This is more like Sandlot baseball of Northwest Arkansas. We're so used to playing organized tournaments, USSSA, travel teams, and this isn't it. This nothing matters here. Stats don't matter. Good hitters, better hitters, big hitters, small hitters, nothing matters. This is for a good cause. This is the Sandlot Field of Northwest Arkansas. This was just getting back to the grassroots of baseball.
The tournament was established in honor of my wife, who is an Alzheimer's patient. She's been in a home for 4 years, and this was one way that we could have something where we might be able to actually do something, because you feel so helpless when it comes to situations like this. And this way, at least we feel like we're doing something. So we've got a goal of $15,000 this year. Last year our goal was $10,000. We beat it. And this year I'm hoping we're going to beat our $15,000 goal too.
The Alzheimer's Association leads the way to end Alzheimer's and all other forms of dementia by accelerating global research, driving risk reduction and early detection, and maximizing care and support for all those families who are impacted. It's a very exciting time in research. Last year, the FDA granted approval for the first ever drug that's viable for people in the very early stages of mild cognitive impairment or Alzheimer's. And this drug is slowing the progression of the disease, allowing families to have more time with their loved ones. And because of the work of the Perroni Invitational, you join a coalition of fundraisers across the country that help the Alzheimer's Association reach its goal of investing $100 million in Alzheimer's research in 2023. We're really excited about what we're seeing in research right now. There's been advancements that give physicians more tools to be able to better diagnose and care for their patients. But we're also seeing advancements in the treatment field. As I mentioned, we have one treatment that has been approved by the FDA, and a second treatment is currently under review by the FDA, and we do expect that to receive approval sometime this year. So that's exciting news for families, and for the first time ever, we can actually give families hope of more time with their loved ones. Though these treatments don't cure the disease, they at least slow progression, and we've seen great results in clinical trials. So we look forward to more advancements in the coming years because the research is accelerating quickly. We thank you so much, Mr. Perroni, for the opportunity just to be a part of this event, and I look forward to being here this year.
Well, you know, our goal this year is $15,000.
You're gonna hit a home run. You're gonna hit it out the park.
I hope so.
Yes, sir.
And Aubrey, what has been your involvement with the Perroni Field Invitational Tournament over the years?
Well, I started off, we had a team playing in the first tournament, the first ever tournament we had. Right now, I feel like my role is kind of field maintenance. I do a lot of work on the baseball field as far as mowing and getting it in shape for the tournament, and just trying to make it look good. And whatever stuff Mr. Perroni needs done on the field, I try to help him out and make sure we're ready for the tournament. Well, my mom was diagnosed with Alzheimer's, so it has touched my life, and I felt like by helping Mr. Perroni out with this tournament and raising money for Alzheimer's research, it was a way that I could maybe contribute and give back a little bit to the researchers that are spending so much time and effort to find a cure or find a way to help people that are dealing with Alzheimer's right now. So, it's a cause that I feel very personal about, and I take pride in helping Mr. Perroni with his cause with this tournament. So,
My name's Kurt Wing, the Director of Team Logistics. I help Mr. Sam collect the teams for our tournament, collect the umpires, and I'm kind of the tournament director as far as rules and all issues, the baseball issues. We've kind of landed. It's a 10-year-old tournament, so it's teams that are 9-year-old in 2024, 10-year-old in 2025, and we take all comers. We could take local teams or competitive teams from the area. We're welcome to anybody. We'll play 2 games for everyone on Saturday, pool play games on Saturday, and then on Sunday there'll be a bracket. So everybody will get 3 games, and it's a really good. It's a scrimmage. You can look at it as a scrimmage or a tournament, whatever you want to do. Kind of a kickoff to the fall. Well, the biggest benefit is being able to help others, be a part of something bigger than you are, and for 10-year-olds, that's something that is good to a lot of them have never had that opportunity. And then for the coaches and the parents, like I said, it's a kickoff for fall. So a lot of teams are new and wanting to get some new scrimmages in or games in, and it's a good opportunity for them to all get on the same page, and we can it's kind of a family atmosphere out here. We have a plaque in the dugout that has all the year's winners, their names. So that's been something pretty big deal for the people that have won it the last few years, and also everyone's going to give the trophy. So they're out here fighting for that Perroni Field trophy.
No, we don't charge people to come to this tournament, so we want you all to come. The only thing we ask you to do when you get here is have a good time, and if you feel moved, to give us a donation so we can assist with Alzheimer's research.